si Kuya, oh. Naglinis siya ng kwarto. Wala silang klase ngayon. And cleaning the room. Wow. Very good naman. That's so good of you, Kuya Kemel. That's so kind of you. Very good. You know why? And you know what? Kasi after ng cleaning, magla-laptop yan.
A few moments later.